Personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Hello everyone, Game Nerd Mom here. Let me see if this thing is working. Let's see what we got going on. Hopefully this works. Hey y'all, Game Nerd Mom here, just in my garden. A little bit of a frost happened last night. I don't know if it was, yeah, it's my son, yeah. Go in the house, it's cold. No, leave that alone. It's cold. Get some tomatoes. Yeah, my tomato plant's still alive. These are my sunflower stalks. I think today, that's might be what I do today. I'm not sure. I'll see. My Brussels sprouts are starting to form. This one's getting... I'm gonna take out that ground cherry. It's pretty much spent. My corn is done, but I need to cut that stuff up. Like my okra has dried out. These okras, I'm gonna let whatever okra is left out here to dry out. As you can see, I already got some pods up there drying out. My garden is shutting down for the winter time, but never fear. I'm gonna have a high tunnel here. Hey, I'm so excited. It's supposed to come at the end of the month, so I may have to, you know, replant in there. I'm probably gonna put it in this area. Definitely in this area. Because I want to secure it in the ground, because we get snow here. We can get a lot of snow. Look at this. Ugh, damn animals. Freaking keep digging up my... I'm taking this inside. Anyways. I keep having animals dig up my stuff. Here. These are my marigolds. These are ones seem to die out quicker than like those kind. But I love these flowers. My son is messing with the water. Oh, look at my blueberry. It's all red. It looks beautiful though. I amended the soil right here. As you can see, those little pellet things. I'm gonna mulch over that. Actually, I need to do that now. Hey, come on. Go in the house. Go in the house, please. Go inside. Go on. Oh yeah, I still got some in here. I need to mulch, really. Well, around it. I'm going to put, I think, cardboard down here. I'm gonna move that. I really got to clean up here a lot. I had a lot of cleaning up to do, everyone. But I'm gonna put a lot of flowers, more flowers than I had. Yes, I knew there was gonna be creepy crawly things. But I could have planted there. Look at that fat worm right there. Woo! Look at that baby. But I'm gonna break all this down. And I definitely need to put some of this compost. There's gonna be this compost in here, and definitely this area is gonna be a second area for my compost. I'm gonna have a second bin because I went to class. Go in the house, please. You don't, it's chilly out here. Go in the house. Close the door. Close it. No, go in there. Close the door, please. Close it. I'll be here. He gonna open the door again, y'all. Watch. Get rid of this mess. And put this stuff. I put stuff out so I can dry it first before I, you know, do anything with it. Let's see. I need to use this to store some emergency water, but I gotta clean that out with some bleach. Try to follow this all the way. So I'm gonna make that. Oh man, my tomatoes fell out my bucket. Okay, I need a bucket so I'm not carrying these. What are you doing, child boy? No, I'm just water in that. I don't want that. I think this just had mulch in it, but it's wet. What are you doing? Go in the house. You don't got no shoes on or a jacket. Okay, this is all I want to use. Yeah, let my broccoli go to seed. Oh crap, it's a caterpillar on there. It scared the crap out of me. Y'all can see there's a caterpillar right there. It's real green. Let me get that off. I hate. Here we go.
I want my cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove